two people that I like, and I guess they like me. And we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna talk.
You said, I guess you know I love you. Did I?
I don't want to put you in that spot.
No, I'm standing in that spot. I love this guy right here. Let me give this guy. I love this guy right here. Yeah, come here.
Dick Stain Donald Trump. Florida has about $13 million of hurricane damage, and you got this goofball in the White House tap dancing for you. Kanye West had Dick Stain Donald Trump feeling uncomfortable. You embarrassed a guy who doesn't get embarrassed. You embarrassed the unembarrassable, Kanye. The fuck is wrong with you? I know Dick Stain Donald Trump supporters and Republicans are like, look, we got this cool hip-hop guy. If Kanye supports us, oh, you know, the world is ours. That motherfucker ain't hip-hop. Kanye was kicked out of hip-hop a couple of weeks ago. Whack-ass Kanye talking about if he don't look good, we don't look good. Motherfucker, you don't look good. Fucking groupie got the hat on and all that shit. Worry about yourself. You don't look good, Duke, at all.